not making a turkey this holiday season? No worries, Gina's got you. I got to show you how to make delicious Cornish hens. One per each person, right? These are so delicious. If you've never had them, wait till you see this recipe and how easy it is to make them. You're gonna need some Cornish hens. These came frozen. I thawed them out and then I gave them a nice rinse using lime juice, salt and cold water. If you don't have lime juice, you could use lemon juice or vinegar, okay? And you put the salt on it and kind of rub them together and give them a nice rinse and pat them dry. We got some beautiful lemon because I want that beautiful lemon flavor going all throughout these Cornish hens. We're gonna use some fresh thyme today, or any fresh herbs that you have, you could use those. A nice sweet Vidalia onion, because you're gonna need it. You can use carrots if you want to. I got some celery here. Now, we got some spices here that's gonna make everything taste absolutely amazing. I mean, you are gonna be sucking the meat off of the bone, all right? Interesting ingredient. We are using soy sauce. Salt. I have some chicken bouillon powder. We got some parsley flakes. It's really just for color. We have Italian seasoning if you like it. Okay, you could also use some sage or poultry seasoning. I got garlic and onion powder and paprika. It's not a smoked paprika. And we have some oil. You can butter these down with butter or oil to make the skin nice and crispy. Make sure your hands are clean. Let's make holiday Cornish. You're having a good day today, and if you're not, I hope I can brighten up your day. Happy weekend. The first thing we're gonna do, let's get started chopping up our flavor. What are we gonna use to make our Cornish hens taste amazing? It's gonna be that fresh thyme. It's gonna be the beautiful lemon or your orange. You could use an orange if you wanted to. Sweet Vidalia onion, carrots if you want to, and some celery. So watch this. Just a rough chop, because really this is gonna go in the bottom of your pan, and we can even stuff some of these vegetables in the inside of the cavity of the Cornish hen. Watch this. It's so easy. Just like this. Let me bring our pan into the equation. All right, we just really need 3 stalks right here, and the Cornish hens will sit on top of it. Let's cut some onion. Really, these vegetables that sit in the bottom of your baking dish is going to roast, and it's really going to release amazing flavor into your Cornish hens, okay? So I'm just going to do a nice rough chop, okay? And get the onions into the bottom of our baking dish, just like this. And then I'm going to chop a little bit, and chop a little bit of this so we can put it in the inside. We're gonna go ahead and just put 2 slices of lemon down into the bottom of our baking dish. I did put a little bit of water in our baking dish, if y'all can see. It's really just enough to cover the bottom of the pan, not enough to where your Cornish hens are swimming in it. We wanna season the bottom of this with a little bit of chicken bouillon powder. You can use a vegetable powder if you would like to. Right there is gonna make great flavor. Okay, watch this. Let's go ahead and put that lemon in there. Just 2 slices will do the trick. Right into our baking dish. This is gonna be perfect if you're not making that turkey this holiday season. Watch this. We're gonna take some oil or butter, and you wanna really get that oil all in the nooks and crannies of the skin. It'll help to make the skin nice, beautiful, golden brown and crispy as it cooks up. But not only that, it helps right to bring in the flavor. We're gonna bring home the flavor. Soy sauce, oh my goodness, makes a difference. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, and we're gonna put some chicken bouillon powder. We are using that for our salt, so if you wanna leave the salt out, it's fine, no worries, okay? Get you some on there. Don't be afraid to season. Everybody that's afraid to season their food, your food will always be bland, right? Chicken bouillon, okay? And then we're gonna go in with some paprika. Watch how gorgeous. Watch how gorgeous. Are you kidding me? We'll flip it over and season the other side. But most of all, you wanna make sure you lift these up and put that same seasoning that we're using in the inside of the cavity of your Cornish hen. We're going in with onion and garlic powder, and you can see I'm not afraid to season. I'm using a nice amount on purpose because I wanna taste that flavor. How are we gonna get the color? Well, we used the paprika, and now we're using dried parsley flakes. This is gonna be gorgeous for your holiday. Italian seasoning if you want to use it, or just some poultry seasoning. Watch this trick here. I'm holding this open using my fork. Okay, and now I'm going to put those same seasonings down in the inside. These seasonings are going to permeate all through the meat and make your Cornish hen taste spectacular. So that's how you do it. This part right here, I don't want you to skip. Okay, we're going to take a little piece of lemon. It's just, you know, a lemon wedge. We put it in there just like so. It'll go in, all right? And then we're taking some celery and onions. Put that in there. We're going to put this into the oven. One more thing. We're going to put a sprig of fresh thyme or your favorite fresh herb. It may be rosemary. You know, whatever floats your fancy, put it in there. Just that little bit and stuff it down in there. It's going to bring great flavor. A little boo-boo, but it's never too late. I told you guys that I was using soy sauce. That's why I said an interesting ingredient. I actually use a little bit of fish sauce. If you don't know, fish sauce is the boss. Now, if you have a shell allergy or a seafood allergy, you don't want to use it, then you could use soy sauce, right? But just give it a try. It has a umami flavor. It makes everything taste spectacular. Or you can leave it out. How beautiful is it? Get it into the oven, 365 degrees. You're cooking this holiday seasoning. You're cooking this holiday season for yourself, or maybe just for yourself and one other person. This is the way to go. Absolutely. I done took my eyelashes off. I forgot I was doing a video, y'all. Look at this. Look at this. Listen to me. If you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you ain't subscribed, what you waiting on, tell your family and friends. Tell the world what Gina's doing every single day in this kitchen. And Father, once again, we thank you for your hedge of protection this meal. Amen. Who wants to taste it? You want to taste it? We're going in. It is super hot, but listen. That's a crispy skin. Ooh, wait. Oh my goodness. I'm going to keep it right here. I'm not going to put it onto a plate. Okay, it's getting late and I want to end this video. Oh my goodness, watch this. Here's what I'm going to want you to always do. Let it rest. Oh my goodness. You got the crispy skin right here. Can you guys see that meat right there? That is juicy town. Zoom in so they can see that. Make it show, make it show.